So, me and Mr. Patrick and Omo Baba can go Bayelsa for show. Now, one of our comedian friends, now carry us go the show, T-Laugh. Yeah, one grab comedian, one resemble Segun Arinze. I was even planning to do a movie when we see and Segun Arinze will be friends. Straight to the story. On our way, Omo Baba did some miracle. Yes, on the road, Omo Baba was clearing the way. No police delay us. I'll leave that story for another Wednesday. Omo B. I don't say for your mind now, they don't want to talk rubbish. I go see share that story. Mona remind me of Omo Baba story. On our way to Bayelsa. On our way, we charter motor, T-Laugh charter bus from Jubu straight to Bayelsa. We asked the driver, say, you know road? He said, yes. When the driver reached already, I asked us, who know road from here? Now we say, Shebi, he say, you know road. He said, hey, I know road now. I know road reach already. Anyway, I go straight to what happened for Bayelsa. We landed in Bayelsa, and it was a night bus. So we reached Bayelsa around 8:30 in the morning. Apparently, the guy will give T-Laugh the contract, pay for the previous night. But will not come that night. Now in the morning, we'll come to arrive. So the hotel manager call the contractor, will give T-Laugh contract to bring entertainers. Now me, Omo Baba, Mr. Patrick, T-Laugh, and one other dance group. Now the manager now, hotel manager call the guy, say, this one when your people come today, when they supposed to come yesterday, what it go happen? The contractor say, Kukuma use yesterday night money, take lodge them for today. The manager say, no, you have to pay some money extra. If not, they go check out by 12. So this conversation was going on behind us, but we don't know. Though T-Laugh was in the know. But me, Mr. Patrick, Omo Baba, the dance group, we don't know say wahala dey. Long story short, the contractor now called the hotel managers, okay, at least give them room and they come. And they give us room. We delay outside. We didn't get into the room until I think 10 minutes past 11 or thereabout. We did outside for more than almost 2 hours or even more before they give us room. So me and Mr. Patrick were in the same room. Mr. Patrick now, he did like Frayo. If you watch, you read on. He says as Frayo B. So now thing and they come Mr. Frayo. He call Patrick head. If you suggest you now go do safer, you now go land on yourself for little trouble. But Mr. Patrick suggests, the problem when I go there, you not believe him. And you know they say no. If you bring your thing, say Patrick won't do this rubbish. Patrick can never say no. You know they think the repercussion. Anyway, we did the room. We call order beer. Me and Patrick got the drink. We order chicken. They say the chicken will take like 15 minutes. I say me the fry and come. Now I tell Mr. Patrick, say Patrick, we treat this pussy. That check out time no reach. Patrick say yeah. Call them. I will call them for Itacom. The hotel phone. We call room 202. Now one of the dancers there. As I pick, as he pick, because I say hello, sir. Please, I just want to confirm if you want to extend your stay. The guy say no. We just checked in today. I say no. Your checkout time is 12 o'clock, and if you don't check out before 12, after 12 o'clock, we will charge you per hour. And the boy say, I don't understand. Now I call the speaker Yoruba, give one guy, he got me and I did the same room. So Mbo, when he can check out, that line bust my head. As I won't laugh, now I drop the call. Yeah, Patrick on bust laugh, the prank walk, then they fear, then they shake. Patrick, me and Patrick do, now the dancer call Patrick. Say, Patrick, Mbo, I can check out. Patrick say, what did that on me? He said, they just call another and say, make it check out. Instead of idiot Patrick, so you tell the boy, say, Now joke will be there. Now we call Patrick say for what? How they go say me we check out. Now the boy call the tell the guy for the same room. They hear them for the phone. Mbo. I can check out things. Say she be they just tell us we check out now. Patrick they say we check out. Patrick say no answer them. And Patrick give this guy this very wrong information. Say listen. Government don't pay 3 nights for us. Government will give them money, say me we chop and drink. But if they give them, I don't know we chop and finish. You know, since as we enter, the other beer for the reception. They say we chop and drink. One other now as other guy. And Patrick call me and Patrick boss laugh again. When they laugh. I don't know, say this boy hold this information to heart. All this one they do so, the hotel manager and the contractor see the quarrel of how they go take sort us for that night. And the boy call manager, he carry the... Meanwhile, this quarrel between the hotel manager and the contractor will bring us home. We don't know. Now this dancer, he said about to cut he laugh. He carry phone directly with this side, he wrote, like 5 manager number come aside. On this one, Mr. Patrick, they laugh for the shout Mbo, and he can check out. According to Mr. Patrick, say from today, that boy named Mbo. Mbo means, I think for Yoruba means, you the year or year. Now Mbo, and he can check out. Now I call manager, say hello. Is he the manager of this hotel? Manager say yes. Why is your staff harassing me? Your staff is harassing us, asking us to check out. We should check out. Meanwhile, the government have paid you for 3 nights. Even paid you people to give us food and drinks. Manager shock. You know this information is coming from somebody else. When lodge for the hotel. And a contractor bring her. So manager don't believe. Say, so this contractor don't collect money for 3 nights for government. He can't pay me 1 night. Even the second night, say, where this guy wants to, no one see pay. No, that manager provoke. He say, young man, before I open my eye, more of you come out for that room. Manager begin call everybody phone number. Say, please check out now. I want to see everybody outside of my hotel. What nonsense is that? Manager call our intercom near Mr. Patrick. We not pick with the laugh to say that the boy they call us. Few minutes later, then they bring my chicken. Bring our beer. I just pay finish. I never put chicken for man. I hear back. But the manager with security. Now we open the manager say, what do I do for here? Man, come outside. Man, promise. Begin speaking jaw. Man, I not play beer. If you play beer, you go see something. Man, I come outside. Hey, what? I say, he said, no, I'm not coming down. Nonsense. Come outside. When I call my guy, make us see me. You know well. Nonsense. Yes, the person go carry our bag, go beer for her, go chicken for us. As we reach outside, everybody there outside, both the dancer, Tila, Pomo Baba. We say what happen. Then the boy explain, give Mr. Patrick. So Mbo, and this is what the boy does say, Mbo. One of the hotel people call me. Say me will check out. Now I take call you, Mbo. Say mo pay Patrick now. His colleague say yes. You call her. Patrick say yes, you call me. She me tell me say government don't pay 3 nights. He say, what you got? So I call the manager. I say, you call manager. At that point, I won't talk the truth. But the tension was too much. We not gonna talk truth. Long story short. No fear enter hotel again. That will go back inside the bus. Meanwhile, driver say never sleep well for 2 nights. One night drive go Benin the previous night. Now inside the bus is sleeping, never go out before our own decor come, because Carlos come. So I will get a room too. In the room with the dragger come outside for the room. Like come carry us with the bus. We can drive come up for the hotel. Go the venue of the show. Show never start to show naively though. We reach venue 1 o'clock. We first DJ. Sound people, first decorate, everybody reach. We call this inside the motor gist. Long story short, inside the bus now we sleep sha. And the show will flop, the show no work. Plus they no will pay till money complete because the thing cause heavy quarrel. You know, village for Bayelsa. Government give you money, you can't hold the money. Now the impression where the manager don't get, so the thing cause quarrel. Anyway, we call the one join. I say many join the one area where we dey. You near the show where we park. So me and Patrick call you enter there. Groovy 3 a.m. Now the driver call us. Say more they go Lagos now. She what do they do again? She would I will say, if you drive now, he say you won't sleep. Say no, you don't sleep enough. I will enter road. Yeah, I sleep go. Oh, but when I wake up, driver there time move around about for sample. Like I ask driver. After the motor don't come down, I ask driver say what happen. He say I see this accident for dream. I say you crazy. That means you have been sleeping. That the accident you see that. As we dey try, I will take come out, take bring the motor out. That's some sample boy show with bike. See, they just play roundabout, they just play roundabout, they just play roundabout, they just play roundabout. They say we must pay for the roundabout. Me now, let me be data boy among all of us. I say, Oshana, what they happen now? They we are. Usually you can't accident scene, the shark, they'll pay roundabout, they'll pay roundabout, they'll pay. Now you get the roundabout. You say now government get the roundabout. And I must pay for this roundabout when I scatter. So now I say, wait, accident happen. You never will check whether anybody injured. You say nobody of I start from our front, so nobody injured now. I say, what was say somebody die? Eh? Now so you call it talk. And he ask me, say, as nobody die, who will pay for the roundabout? As me and you the also, nobody know this story. Now let me have Mr. Patrick. Now this video now 19 lab go say, hey, so now Patrick at the door.